Alright, so if you're watching this video, that means you already saw this slide, right? You should have done the Edpuzzle already, and you know that you need to copy notes on the next few slides. And hopefully you saw this, right? If you forgot how to do Lewis dot diagrams, you can click on that. And there are some instructions for you. So I will not be going through how to do the dot diagrams in this video. I'm just going to skip straight to showing you how to do the whole dipole thing. So here's my example. I already have the structural formula for water drawn out. And, okay, so draw the structural formula for the molecule. Okay, I did that. Then draw the dipole arrows. Okay, what are dipole arrows? How do I do those? The arrow is pointing towards the more electronegative atom. Okay. So now I guess I just have to figure out, okay, which one is the more electronegative one. All right, so in this molecule we have hydrogen and oxygen. So I find hydrogen, and that's 2.2. I do oxygen, and that is 3.4. So it looks like oxygen is the winner here, right? It said higher electronegativity. So now I'm going to draw my arrows. Let's see. Higher electronegativity would be oxygen, so my arrow should be pointing towards oxygen. Okay, and we put a little tail on these arrows. And I'm going to draw a little tail here also. Okay, so now I drew my arrows. Great. Okay. So what do those arrows even mean? Let's see, right, I did that. Great. Now my last thing that I have to do here is choose an answer. Okay, so it's asking me, is this a polar molecule, non-polar molecule, or are there no dipoles? Obviously, we're going to cross that one out. That one is only for diatomic molecules. And now I'm between polar and non-polar. All right, I think there's something in the notes about this. Let's see. Would you look at that? Yes, there is. There are some notes on this. That's great. Okay. So it looks like this one here would be closest to what we're talking about, right? So I have two dipoles pointing at the same element, right? At the same atom. They're pointing at the same atom, and they are at an angle, right? They're angled. Remember we said water is supposed to look like Mickey Mouse, right? That's Mickey Mouse's ears. His face, right? Water is bent. Okay. So, that means it is polar. Polar. All right. So, polar, and I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do this, right? To select the answer, I'm going to click on this cursor button up here, and I'm going to click my answer. So let's see if that is correct. Yes, yes it is. Okay, so that is how you draw the dipoles and determine whether the molecule is polar or non-polar.